If you want to freeze or pause a video in CapCut, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to stop your video on one specific frame, create that pause effect, and then adjust the timing so it matches your edit perfectly. This is super useful for highlighting a moment, adding text, creating emphasis, or making your video feel more polished and professional. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline. Play your video and watch it carefully until you find the exact moment you want to freeze. You can also drag the playback cursor manually to land on the precise frame you want. This is the most important part, because the freeze effect will use the frame your cursor is sitting on. Once you've found the frame, stop right there and make sure it's exactly the image you want to hold on screen. Next, look for the double triangle icon in CapCut. This is where the freeze option is hidden. Click that icon and from the drop-down menu, select Freeze. CapCut will automatically create a still image from that frame and place it on your timeline. By default, this frozen frame usually lasts about 3 seconds, so you'll instantly see your video pause at that exact moment. If the freeze is too short or too long, don't worry, because you can easily fix that. Just click the freeze clip on the timeline, then drag either edge to make it longer or shorter. If you want the pause to feel dramatic, extend it a little. If you only need a quick pause, trim it down so it stays clean and fast-paced. You can also preview the result by playing the timeline again to make sure the freeze lands smoothly in your edit. This is a great way to emphasize reactions, captions, product shots, or important moments in your video. It works especially well when you want to create a cinematic pause without needing any complicated editing tools, and that's really all there is to it. You just find the frame, apply freeze from the double triangle menu, and then adjust the duration to fit your video. Once you know this trick, you can use it anytime to add style and control to your edits. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next one.